Welcome back. This is a very short video that I'm doing because I noticed that there's some people, they don't know how to use Google Docs, and they don't even know that Google Docs can be used to do images or things in that sort that you can print. So basically in this video, you will have to have an email address with Google. And once you set up, if you don't have it, once you set up your account with an email, you can use your email to open Google Docs. So you just go to the Google Docs, you go gdocs, like right here, just gdocs, and then it's going to show you this here. You can go to either this one or this one and click on it, and then you go to the Google Docs, and if you see right here, this is my image for my email address. So right there, you can also use the calendar. If you don't know about that, you can use the calendar, and there's quite a few things that you can use through Google. It's a good thing that you might want to check out because it's all free. Okay, so now what we're going to do here, I'm preparing to do a tutorial on how to put images on coasters. So that's what we're gonna print these images for, and I already have two here. But one thing that I really wanted to show you that it took me a little while to learn is that, for example, I have those two pictures there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and download another picture, and I'm gonna upload it from my images. So let's go ahead and do this one here, and I'm gonna go open. So here it is. Now, if I want to make this smaller, I can make it as small as I want. But if I want to make more movement with it, see, like right here, it doesn't let me move it. I click on it and I want to move it around, and it doesn't let me move it. So in order to move it and put it really close to another pictures, in order to get more images in your page, then you're going to go ahead and click right here in the middle where it says wrap text. You go ahead and click on that, and you can go ahead and put the picture wherever you want it. You can put it as close as you want. I think the last time I printed six images on this one. So I know I need this image to be like 3 3/3 by 3 3/4. So then I'm going to go to image options. I'm going to click on the picture I want to change, and I'm going to go to image options. So it's going to open this up for you. So here I'm going to go to size and rotation, and I'm going to make whichever one is the biggest width or height. You're going to go to that number. You're going to take it off, and you're going to go 3.75. Why 3.75? Because the coasters that I'm going to make are 4 by 4. So we're just doing, and this is almost like a rectangular size picture. So we're going to do the biggest side. We're going to do 3.75, and whatever the other number is fine. So then you have it there already. You have the size, and I'm going to print these 3. So that's basically that. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to send me a message. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.